So here we are outside of Alliance, Nebraska. If it's real windy on the camera, I apologize for that. I'll try to get rid of it in editing. All right. So this is Carhenge. Glad y'all can come along with me because you can look at it is in the middle of nowhere. I'll pan you around pretty quick. Oh, Carhenge. Anybody recognize that one on top? That's a Vega wagon. There's the Vega wagon. Jim Reindeers, or I guess it is Reindeers. This is Stonehenge West. And there's how it started. Now they're all gray. So let's go over here and look. Oops. Oh, there's the Ascena one. All right. I recognize that one straight ahead. That's a Cadillac. Seem to be quite a few Cadillacs here. I've been to Cadillac Ranch. It wasn't nearly as much fun. You couldn't recognize the cars. That's a Chevy. Oh, wait a minute. That's the crest of a Cadillac. That's not a Cadillac. There's the Vega. Interesting. That might be a Thunderbird. I have no idea. It seemed like Cadillacs. And Chevrolets. Let's go see what the hell this is. All right, well, we can look at it upside down and still have absolutely no clue what it is. There's a car dinosaur and a car fish out there. It's only like 34 degrees, and the only thing I brought with me was a fleece jacket. So we're not going to be here very long. I just wanted you guys to get the full experience. All right, let's walk up to the next one. The white car there straight ahead is the only one you're allowed to ride on. So, yeah. So we're coming on to this. This is definitely a Cadillac. All right. Next. All right, let's switch hands because that hand is just about frozen. Are y'all enjoying this as much as I am? The Ford Seasons. The yellow cars have writing on them that says the Ford Seasons. Woo! It's cold. Yeah. This is all I brought here. I did not dress for this weather. Here we go. Car art. Okay, I was told not to miss. Way out there, you can see something white against the field. That's a car buried up to its hood. Car wind chimes. There's some tires out here. Looks like a little picnic area. Oops. Almost fell down. What's this yellow car? I don't have a clue what that is. And I'm pretty good with cars. Because I recognize the Ford wagon. If you look back on it from here, let's get a picture on here. That's a Jeep Willys truck. That's a Gremlin. There's a Vega up there. There's a Chevelle or an Impala. Are y'all having fun? All right. Woo, it is cold. I'm gonna quit telling y'all that. I think y'all know it. You don't have smell-o-vision. You don't have temperature vision. Oh, you can actually. That's like a little camping park. See the trailers up there? This is a. That is cool or what? They just dug a hole and stuck the damn car in it. If it wasn't so cold, I'd get in there and take a picture of myself in there, but right on, right on. Hey, Chad, we're thinking about you, buddy. The hurricane's coming right at you. By now, it's probably hit. Hope you guys have taken cover. Hope you guys are safe. can find another house. You can build more shit. It's hard to build another Chad. So you and Kim and your whole family, you guys take care. It'll be long over with by the time I post this video, but just want to let you know that I was thinking about you guys. He must be where he stuck all the Fords, because I don't have any idea what this is. So can y'all see that, the Ford seasons? So those must be 2 Fords. Yeah, they are. They're 2 LTDs. I recognize that LTD because my first car was a 73 LTD. 2-door. That's an LTD wagon. Is that cool or what? And this is the one you can ride on. Woo! You get right in the snow. Don't drink yellow stuff. Somebody told me that in one of the comments or something. Woo! The blue thing, I know that's a Cadillac. I recognize the front of it. What this is, no clue. But just this wide angle camera should give you a great view of just really. We'll start from here. Hope you guys can see the beautiful mountains in the background. There's the little house. Of course, it's not open right now. We'll come all the way around. They still haven't got the corn out of the field. And motorhomes. Looks like some of them might be permanent. Like, why would you put wood around? Probably insulating it so the bottom doesn't. Oh, this here is the 20th century Carcel. I guess that's supposed to be castle, but it's a Carcel buried in June 21st, 2003. Jim Render. I wanted to pull it up in June 21, 2053. All right, let's all meet back here then. That sounds like a good plan. I'm here 35 more years. I don't know if I can drive this kind of trip in 35 years. Somebody might have to come pick me up. Woo! Hey, I'm gonna stop for a minute. I'm gonna take some pictures. So in case y'all can't see the mountains, I'll get some pictures. Yeah, a lot of people say cars have a soul. Yeah, you can definitely see from the front of that now if you can see the Jeep. This thing's got good, it's got pretty good quality on it for a small camera, fixed lens camera, so maybe I ain't walking over there again. Here's the steering wheel. I wonder if it turns. What do y'all think? Nope. We got some more art, some hubcap art, and looks like some kind of transmission of some sort. Maybe that's just a rear axle with a fan on an axle. Woo! Anyway, cars have souls, and there's 2 Toyotas sitting over there. One's leaving now. Looking at, you think they're wondering if this is where they're going to be buried? T-shirts, caps, and souvenirs. Damn, I wish they were open, because I would definitely go.